Removing a card from your Coinbase account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully delete your card information. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Open the Coinbase app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the settings or accounts section. Look for the payment methods option in the menu to view all your linked cards and accounts. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment methods section, find the card you wish to remove. Click on it to access the details and options related to that specific card. Step 4. Remove the card. Look for the option to remove or delete the card. This may be labeled as remove, delete, or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the card. Confirm your choice to complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, the card will be successfully removed from your Coinbase account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.